This is the story about a magical land where there was a castle that was made of sand. And in this castle lived a happy boy who would always awake with a smile of joy. In the true story of Mr. Sandman, journey through a magical land where a young boy discovers a unique purpose to become the Sandman, guardian of dreams and sleep. With empathy and a heart full of compassion, he embarks on a quest to bring peaceful slumber to those in need. This enchanting tale weaves a heartwarming narrative of self-discovery, spreading dreams, and embracing one's true calling. Join the little prince as he becomes the Sandman, a legend of compassion and the embodiment of sweet dreams in a world where sleeplessness is no more. The True Story of Mr. Sandman by Rosie Guy. Order your copy today, available at Amazon.com.